How to remove channels from WhatsApp status. Let's get started. Launch your WhatsApp. Here we go. In the update page, you're gonna find this section of channels. In the case you want to remove these, how can you do that? For that, head towards the option of settings. Now go to the option help. At the very top, you can find the WhatsApp version. Right now within WhatsApp, there is no such feature to remove WhatsApp channel from WhatsApp status. So what you have to do is you can use the older version of WhatsApp. To download WhatsApp older version, you can close this. Now open any of the browser. Type in WhatsApp older version and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. You can open any of these. After you open it, scroll down, and with that you're gonna find tons of WhatsApp older versions. From this page, you can easily download any of the older versions. All you have to do is click on it, and with that download process will start. So right now, this is how you can remove channels from WhatsApp status. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.